Cranberries are not just your average berry. These small, tart fruits pack a powerful punch when it comes to health benefits, especially for women over 50. Cranberries are rich in antioxidants, including vitamins C and E, and quercetin. These compounds boost the immune system, support urinary tract health, and promote heart health. They also help protect against chronic diseases and aging. For women over 50, cranberry juice offers specific advantages. Heart disease is the leading cause of death among women in the United States, with the risk increasing with age. Cranberries may play a role in reducing this risk. Animal studies have shown that cranberries can improve cholesterol levels, including triglycerides, HDL, and LDL. They also enhance blood vessel function and reduce inflammation by decreasing oxidative stress. While human studies are limited, small-scale research suggests that cranberry supplementation may improve metabolic syndrome by reducing body mass index, lowering blood pressure, and enhancing overall cardiovascular health. As we age, our bodies become more susceptible to oxidative stress, an imbalance between free radicals and antioxidants. This imbalance can lead to various health issues, including cancer, heart disease, and neurological conditions like Alzheimer's. Cranberry products, including juice, have been found to help offset this imbalance, potentially mitigating the effects of oxidative stress. When it comes to consuming cranberries, both juice and supplements can be beneficial. However, if opting for juice, choose unsweetened varieties to avoid excess sugar. The decision between whole cranberries, juice, or supplements depends on individual health goals, preferences, and digestive health. While cranberry juice offers numerous benefits for women over 50, it's crucial to consult with a healthcare professional before making significant changes to your diet or starting any new supplement regimen. This is particularly important if you're taking medications, as there may be potential interactions. Incorporating cranberries into your diet can be a simple yet effective way to support your health as you age. Whether through unsweetened juice or supplements, cranberries offer a natural boost to heart health, antioxidant levels, and overall well-being for women over 50.